Hello everyone, this is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's Monday and yeah, it's raining, y'all. It's raining, but it's all good. It's all good. But today, guys, I stopped in because I wanted to share with you all. I want to give you all an update on my 7 vegetables that I dropped to harvest on Labor Day. Yeah, I did I'm going to give you an update on that. Many people has been asking me how to rehydrate their vegetables. So I'm going to share that too. We're going to have some lunch. Yeah. So let's see. It's so many other things that I did in here, but it's almost like spending the day with me. How about that? So I touched on a lot here, from being in my garden to being in my kitchen. Yeah, we did a lot today. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy to stay with me. I hope you get a little something from the video. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you will. Yeah, but anyway, guys, you all have a great day. And I will see you all in my kitchen or wherever I go first. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's go, y'all. I strained my strawberry and gin, and this is blueberry and vodka. So I strained all the fruit off of it. So I'm going to try this strawberry and gin. That's what this is. So I'm just going to live it. I kind of know how it tastes. I had some tasters here, and yeah, they tasted earlier. But I know they liked it. They said, and it does. Oh my! It have a taste of like a daiquiri. That's the flavor you get, a daiquiri. But the strawberry just come in so good. It's so refreshing, really. This thing will sneak up on you. Yeah. But it is so good. So good. So good. So good. Let me try the blueberry. Alright, so I opened it, rinsed the glass off, and got a little bit of this. Now, I haven't tried the blueberry. I think this blueberry and vodka. That's what this is. Oh, that's so good. It's so good, y'all. This is so good. Listen, you all should try this. Just try it. It's so good. And really, it's just a fruit of your choice. And I would suggest that you use a, if you don't use, white, like vodka or gin. But I even seen where people use rum, but I prefer the vodka and gin. It tastes so refreshing. If you indulge, you will love it. You will love it. All right, guys. All right, guys, there she is. She's loaded. She's loaded. Now, I have 9 trays. 9. But I have one here. So, I didn't take enough out the freezer, so, but anyway, hey, we'll do it the next time. But yeah, I would say she's fully loaded, but she's not fully loaded, right? But yeah, she is ready to rumble, baby. She's ready to rumble. And I'm excited to get this going. Jada and I rehydrated some of the corn and carrots that I did, and they were delicious, yo. They were delicious. But I'm gonna try some with y'all. Right? But yeah. Listen, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful night. I hope all is well with you and your families. All right? All right, guys. We will talk in the morning. All right, y'all. So here is my vegetables I dropped on July 12th for my harvest on Labor Day. Yep, that's them. And they are all doing great. I have more. I think, yeah, I dropped more seeds here. But in there. Yeah, so they are looking good and growing well today. I see you too, girl. So this is my pear tree, and it is a pineapple pear. Now, from what I understand is that my pear tree needs a pollinator for me to get fruit. And that's cool. I will have one for next season for sure. But this season, she put on leaves. She did great. She didn't give me any fruit, but hey, I love her still. But yesterday when I came out, I saw this on her. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is a cluster of flowers. Yeah, the girl got flowers on her. I will have a mate for her next season. Yep, this is my pineapple pear that Jody purchased for me for my birthday. Yay! All right, guys. I had many questions about my dehydrated vegetables. One of the questions was how to rehydrate it. So I'm going to do this two ways for you today, okay? First, this is just water, just plain water, and I'm going to put this in a bowl. I put about a handful of vegetables in this bowl. Now, listen, I'm going to put this in the microwave, but I'm also going to use some with my food too, but in the skillet. But I'm going to put this in my microwave and just put it, I guess, on 3 minutes or so. We'll see. Yeah. Let that ride. So this is my lunch I'm doing today, and I'm also going to add some dehydrated vegetables in this also. Okay, but first I want to get my shrimps all nice and charred up for my lunch. Yeah. So I hope you all having a wonderful day. And so I just seasoned up some shrimps. They were frozen. I had them in the freezer. I kind of seasoned them last night and put them in the freezer, and took them out this morning so I can have them for lunch today. Yeah, so let me turn this fire up, get it rolling. So yeah, so rehydrating your vegetables is very easy, and hey, there's more than one way to do it. But also, what I want to say is that many of us have been eating dehydrated foods, and you're just not knowing it, right? So many of the products that we use, like powders, the garlic powders, all the spices we use as powders, many of those vegetables and those spices are dehydrated before making them into the powder, right? So yeah, we've been enjoying dehydrated foods and just not knowing that it was dehydrated. But anyway, I'm going to get this because I want these shrimps to be, I want a nice char on them. I want them a real nice brown on them. That's what I'm looking for. And I have, this is some just chopped vegetables, seasoning, onion, garlic, bell peppers, leeks. Look at that beautiful purple pepper I grew in my garden. Oh yeah, she in there too. So, but I'm gonna come back when I have them and I have it all together. All right. I'll be back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put in the seasoning. I like a lot, yeah, I do. It's just a little water. Might as well do it all. So now I'm just going to get the remainder of this is my dehydrated mixed vegetables I did. That's what this is. And I'm just going to put them in a spot, just like that. I'll put 2 handsfuls in. Boom. And stir them up. You put a little bit more water in here. And we'll top it up. Now, some may ask, how long will you let it, cook? Well, as long as it takes to get your vegetables soft, because listen, everybody's stove is different, it's different timing and stuff. I mean, I can't tell you, 3 minutes, and in 3 minutes they're not ready. Whatever time it takes your vegetables to get soft, that's what you use, okay? All right, now I'm gonna be back, right? So this is my microwaved dehydrated vegetables, and they are rehydrated. And this is the way they look in the stove, on the stove. Now, I'm gonna put all these vegetables in here. Yes, because I want to eat it all. All right, let me do that. All right, guys, so this is my lunch. I wish I could get some better lighting for you guys, but this is it. So this is my rehydrated corn and shrimp. This is what I'm having for lunch today. Yep. I have some figs and honey and some sour cream there. It's just a cold drink, y'all, that's all. Got a little hot sauce and some cheesy bread. But that's my lunch for today. Now, the rehydrated vegetables are very good, very plump, and you know, they good now. They just delicious. Mm-hmm. They taste like they never was dehydrated. Seriously. Really? But I hope you all enjoy your lunch today. I hope all is well with you all. All right? But anyway, guys, I'm going to get in here. I'm going to take care of this. And I will talk to you all tomorrow. I put some honey, and that is turmeric on it. And some turmeric powder. Yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, yo, that's so good. Turmeric. That is so good. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me get into this. Y'all have a great Monday. Later, y'all.